If you're wondering that can you use Microsoft Excel on your iPad or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer is yes, but you will have to download it from the App Store. As you can see, if I search Excel in the App Store, I will find Microsoft Excel and I will be able to download it from here. Just like that. And once this app is downloaded, just tap on open. After that, just sign into your Microsoft account and you will be able to use Microsoft Excel on your iPad. But there is a workaround to use Microsoft Excel for free. For that, just go to your home screen and open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. Just open this website. And after you do that, you will open the web version of Microsoft Excel on your iPad. Now from here, just tap on the share button on the screen. And from this menu, just select View More. Over here, you will find the option to add to home screen. Now just select Add to home screen. Over here, just give a name to the shortcut of Microsoft Excel. I will leave it as Microsoft Excel. Just tap on Add. And after you do that, you will create a web shortcut of the Microsoft Excel app on your iPad. And you will be able to use Microsoft Excel for free. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.